My name is Ryan Letty Visuals and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you a really cool effect. I'm going to show you how to kind of double yourself. So I'm Ryan and this is Kevin. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you how to clone yourself in Premiere Pro. Alright, so what you want to do is open up Premiere Pro and then ingest both your clips. Now when you shoot these clips, you want to make sure that your lighting is very even, and you really want to do this in a studio like this one. Because if you don't do that and you do it outside, you're going to have a lot of lighting problems since lighting is constantly changing when you're outside throughout the day. Now drop your clips onto the timeline, one over the other, and then go over to the effects panel and grab the crop tool and place it on the top clip. Now go over to the effects panel of the crop tool, scroll down, and where you see left, start dragging that over to the middle where you see both of yourselves in the frame. So as we see here, we got Ryan and Kevin in the frame perfectly even, but wait, Ryan, there's a line. Obviously this is edited. This looks terrible. Look, yeah, I know, I'm getting there. Hold up. So you're gonna go back into Premiere Pro, you're gonna grab the pen tool, and you're gonna make a square around the bottom clip. And when you do that, you're going to go down to Mask Feather and you're going to feather it ever so slightly till you see that line wash away. But be careful, don't do it too much because you may just feather away yourself in the process, which is not a good move. That's really it. That's how you clone yourself in Premiere Pro. Super easy, super quick, super efficient. Just make sure you have even lighting, you're in a studio, don't go outside because it's just going to cause you more problems than you need. Now, go check out my Instagram page, Ryan Letty Visuals. I'm also on Facebook under the same name. Go give those boys a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ha ha ha. Gotcha.